Morning everyone. How you guys doing today? Today I'm just gonna go over how Adobe Bridge CC, what it's all about, some of the benefits, and why I personally choose to use it over something like Finder. So here's the Adobe Bridge website. As you can see here, it's basically kind of just another again Finder type version. It keeps you organized. It helps you manage your files, your pictures, your videos, and it also gives you a lot of data about it. So as you read here, organize, browse, preview, batch, which is actually very important because batch you can do multiple changes to multiple files at one time, such as sizes, which we went over in the last video. So yeah, guys, here's Adobe Bridge. Here's the website. Let's pull it up here. So here's basically our website. You can see our desktop. Here's my main. So let's just show you some of the navigation. You can see here. Here's our sites folder. Here's some of our personal websites. Going in here, we have our images. Everything's broken out really clear. It also gives you the dates of when it's made, modified. It has a lot of information on every piece of material that's in here. So let's continue to open it up. Let's actually go into maybe a piece of media here. So what you can see here is it actually pulls up the information and begins to give you a preview. This is just some of the information, size, well, I should say file size, picture size, depth of color. I mean, you guys really, this is why people choose to use this. And not only this, it also is a bridge between working with tools such as Photoshop. So when I'm here, I can actually drag this down here to my Photoshop. It's going to open up a file within Photoshop, and I'm able to make those changes within Photoshop. Going back to Bridge, I can bring up the boomerang up here, and that will actually bring me back to my Photoshop. So that's kind of the connection piece that you're missing here between managing your files and working with your files in Adobe Bridge. Um, just a few other pieces I wanted to point out here. Some of the different abilities that Bridge kind of gives you is here you have like a rating system. So say you have a file you want to keep, you can give it 5 stars just to kind of help yourself manage. You can also give it labels, which will change the color here and also have a signal of what they are. So let's just take those off actually. We'll go to no rating. Don't really need that right now. And then you also have different like workspaces. So this is pretty similar to Photoshop if you're familiar with that. You kind of the layout of how Bridge is presenting itself. I personally like to use libraries. Essentials isn't bad though. This is the one that we're just on. You guys can kind of play with this and see exactly which one works best for you. But yeah, guys, this is Adobe Bridge. I highly recommend you take some time to experiment with it, play with it, see what kind of benefits it offers you. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Hope you enjoyed the video.